Okay, so I just ordered a SHS-3320 and let me try to open it. Let's see what is in there. It looks pretty fancy already. Okay, so let's see what is in there. So I guess this is the manual, and that's the interior unit, I believe, since that there's a knot and a button right here. Exterior with the key slots. Okay. Some screw. 2 keys, and it's made in Korea, so I guess if you lose it, you have to go to Korea and get a new copy. So that's the lock. Seems like it's adjustable with 60 and 70 millimeters, just like any other lock. I believe those are AA battery. Let me just double check. Yeah, AA, 1.5 volts. It says it's gonna last a year if you use the open and closing the door 10 times a day. And let's see what else is in the box. Okay, I think those are the RFID. That's just a connector for the interior exterior unit. Oh, actually, those are the magnetic sensor that can detect whether the door is closed or it's open. Just more RFID keys. This one is a different color. Some more screws. Some plates. More plates. And another RFID. Is there anything else? So I guess that's all we have in the box. I will be reinstalling this within hopefully this weekend when I have time. And I will post another video and let you guys know how it is.